Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video, we will develop 3D model from these 2D drawings. Let's start. Go to sketch. We will select the part. So we can change the background color from here. So first we have to know the dimensions. So this is from here to here. This is the dimension is about 50 millimeter, and the height of this one is also 50 millimeter, and this width is 12 millimeter, and this width is 15 millimeter. So let's start. We will go to sketch. We will select the front plane. We will select the line. First we will draw the sketch like in this way, and we will join this one. Okay, now we will go to smart dimension. We know that the distance from here to here is 50 millimeter, so we will select 50, and we also know that distance from here to here is also 50 millimeter, right? And we know that this width is 12, so we will select the 12 millimeter, and this width is 15 millimeter, so we'll put the 15. Okay, so now we know that the extrude is 80, so we will go to feature. We then go to extrude, and here we will select the mid plane, and here we will select the 80, right? Now we need to create this circle cut, so we will select this face, then go to sketch. Okay, so first we will draw the center line, so we'll draw a center line from here to here. Okay, and this one is at the center of this one, so we will select this one, and we will select the circle, then we'll go to dimension, and this one is 24, diameter is 24. Okay, and the distance from here to here is 20, so we can make sure it's 20. From here to here is 19, so we have to draw it on 20. Then we what we have to do, we have to change we have to delete this line because it's give the reference points. Now we will go to smart dimension. We select this center, and then we will select this one, and now we will put it 20. Okay, and is there any other reference? No, but it's at the center line, so we will draw the center line again, and then we will select this center point, and then we will select this line, and then we will select it coincident. Now you can see that our sketch is fully defined. Then go to feature, and then go to extruded cut. Okay, now we need to create this cut, so we will select this face, then go to sketch. Okay, so we know that the distance from up to here is 16 millimeter, so first we will draw a center line. Okay, and we will make the distance of this line is 16. Okay, now we will draw two lines. This is one line, and we will draw another line at this reference point, right? So we'll draw two lines, and the length of this line is 20, so we will go to dimension. We will put as 20, and the length of this line is 40, right? So we'll put it 40. Okay, so now we will select this point, and press Ctrl, and then select this point, press Ctrl, and select this center line, and here select the symmetric. Okay, similarly we will select this point, then with the help of Ctrl press, then select this point, and then select this center line, and here we'll select the symmetry. And now we will select this line, and we will join this line, select the line, and we will join this line. Right, now our sketch is fully defined, and now we will go to feature, and then go to extruded cut. So we'll select through all. So our sketch is ready, our 3D model is ready. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming video.